In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the HID low beam headlight bulbs on this Lexus IS250. These will be accessed from right behind the headlight. The process is the same for both sides, and I recommend that you replace both sides at the same time. Let's get started. Now we have to remove this cover, and it's just held on with a bunch of push clips, so we'll go around, pop them all out with a trim tool, and then remove the cover. Now with that cover out of the way, let's remove the 10mm mounting bolt that holds the washer fluid filler neck onto the body of the vehicle. And now you can pull this whole thing right out. We have to push this locking tab out of the way. So I'm going to use a little pry bar. You could use a flathead if you want, and just, there we go, tap it. That'll unlock this cover. Take the cover out. Now with this cover off, looking in here, you'll see the driver for the headlight bulb. Turn it counterclockwise and pull it off of the bulb. Okay, we'll set that aside. Now in there you'll see two spring clamps. We have to unhook both of these and then take the bulb out. Careful not to break the glass. And there it is. When reinstalling, put the bulb back into the housing. Just like that. Make sure it's flush. Bring this over. Latch it back in. Now we have to find the groove for this, and then we turn it to lock it in. Make sure nothing wiggles around. Now take this cover, slide it back in on one side, it just has hooks, and then back over on the other side and latch it on with this metal clip. Get the washer filler neck back in. And reattach the bolt. Snug it up. Now reinstall this cover and put back all the push clips that held it on. And that's installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.